Love screwdriver's wife. It's not on YouTube. Come on, babes. So pretty.
See, we need a big fan like that for the outside. Right?
That looks pretty. Look, he's weeping. Hola. What's wrong, babe?
What's up, people?
What's up? Anyways, where are we going, babes? We're going to the flea market. And let's see, from there we're gonna go eat, but not until later, right? Yeah, so we had to lower the radio because per YouTube we can't have music. Okay, you guys, so look what I picked up at the tiki bar. It is a Corona extra sign. I got it for, well, it was originally $35 and we did get it for 28 bucks. Super cute and super colorful, so I love it. What else? Oh, I also got, hold on, you guys. I picked up this M&M original nutcracker. Super cute because I love to collect M&Ms. Super adorable. And I did get this for 10. Beebs got it for me. And look at the carousel, you guys. So pretty. It is so hot. We're just like in the shade. They also have like rides out here and stuff like that. So it's really cute. And there's not too many people.
What the hell? I'm sweaty.
We're a little hot, you guys. It's hot out here. Are you hot, Beebs?
I got my messaging on her. Damn, my hair's all fucked up.
What'd you get, babes?
Rusa.
Oh. You love it, don't you? Interesting. Whew. Beebs. Kind of sitting out, hanging out. He's having his little... Would you consider that a meal, babes, or no?
No.
Just kidding. But yeah, we're probably about halfway done with the... Right? About halfway done? The little village, Trader's Village. It's really nice here though. I like it here better than the other flea markets we've been to. So, for sure this is a good one. Huh? Look at you guys, it's so cute. It's got a lot of cute stuff. And she's got her earrings. Oh, hello. She's Got her earrings, little jewels. Okay, y'all, so I picked up these really cute, beautiful peacock earrings. I got them from some lady in one of the little shops, and a good steal. And they were actually $5.99. I saw that it showed $5.99, but the lady gave them to me for $3. So I thought these were super cute. I mean, you know, they're not perfect. They have a little bit of stuff that's kind of like missing, but who cares? Super cute. I love it. Look, you guys, a lot of stuff for the tiki bar, right, babes? That's cute. Very colorful. I'm headed here. Actually, I'm here at McDonald's. I'm gonna get some food. Steven's on his way over there to the house, and you guys, I had so much anxiety today. But I'll tell you in a little bit, okay? I'll be back.